Dear friends, welcome to my video. Kindly click on the CC button for subtitles. Numerology should be used as a guide and reference. Your decisions and actions will affect your destiny and life. Look beyond with pure intelligence with an open mind and heart. Numerology is a metaphysical discipline often associated with the esoteric and the mystical, its roots tracing back thousands of years to civilizations such as ancient Greece, Egypt, China, and India. The practice of numerology involves the study of numbers as carriers of significant symbolic and energetic properties. These properties are thought to have a profound impact on our lives, destiny, personality, and even our relationships. Essentially, numerology explores the idea that the universe is a system and that once broken down, everything in the universe, including human beings, can be understood in terms of numbers. Each digit from 0 to 9 is believed to carry a specific vibration and energy that influences everything around us. Numerologists aim to interpret these vibrations to uncover truths about our personal and universal journeys. There are several key components and systems within numerology. One of the most common is life path number calculation, which involves reducing an individual's birth date to a single digit or master number, 11, 22, 33, believed to encapsulate a person's life purpose, challenges, and talents. Another important aspect is the destiny number, derived from the numerical value of the full birth name, providing insight into a person's career path and how they interact with the world. Furthermore, numerology extends to the idea of name numbers, which is the practice of assigning numerical values to each letter in an individual's name to interpret personality traits and potential future events. The English version, for example, uses a system called Pythagorean numerology, where letters are numbered 1 to 9 in the alphabet. Numerology is also widely used in compatibility assessments, where the life path and destiny numbers of two individuals are analyzed to predict the potential for harmony or conflict in a relationship. Similarly, personal year numbers are employed to understand the individual's focus and challenges in a specific year, guiding them towards better decisions. Despite being ancient, the practice of numerology remains alive in modern cultures and is employed in various contexts. It's used by individuals for self-understanding and personal growth, by businesses to choose auspicious names and launch dates, and even in the arts, such as literature and cinema, to convey subtle meanings. Critics often dismiss numerology as a pseudoscience due to its lack of empirical evidence and testable theories. However, it's important to remember that like astrology and other esoteric practices, numerology is often considered more of a spiritual or philosophical tool rather than a scientific one. Its value comes from its potential to provide symbolic and introspective insights, offering a different lens through which to view and understand the world and ourselves. Regardless of where one stands on the veracity of numerology, its enduring presence in human culture cannot be denied. The fascination with numbers and the meanings we ascribe to them reflect our collective search for understanding and our desire to decipher the seeming chaos of the universe. At its core, numerology provides a language, a system that translates complex cosmic energies into something tangible, guiding individuals in their search for purpose, fulfillment, and the connection with the universe.